Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome again in our new series Arabic for Beginners. This is lesson 2 and here is Adil Abdel Raziq. Before we start lesson 2, let's review the important points in lesson number 1. How many letters are there in the Arabic language? Arabic alphabet includes 28 letters. Alif, باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو ياء. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون ها واو ياء. Question number 2. What is so special about Arabic writing system? Unlike Latin, Arabic is written from right side to left side in a cursive way or in a cursive style. So here in English we start from left to right. As you see, my name is Sami. We start from left to right. But Arabic, if I want to write the same sentence in Arabic, I write Ismi Sami from right to left. So this is the direction of writing is different. In English from left to right, in Arabic from right to left. How many short vowels are there in the Arabic language? In Arabic there are 3 short vowels. They are not part of the Arabic alphabet. As you see here, the first short vowel we put it above the letter and it called Fatha. We call it Fatha. Fatha has a sound A. Fatha has A sound. Kasra has E sound. Dhamma has U sound. So we have A, E, U. Does the Arabic alphabet have one form or many? Written Arabic has 4 forms for each letter. This might appear much at first, but it is not as hard as you might think. Let's talk about the letter Ba and how the letter Ba changes its forms from beginning, middle, and end according to its place in a word. As you see here, we write the letter Ba isolated, stand by itself. The letter Ba when it comes first or initial, the letter Ba when it comes medial or in the middle, and the letter Ba when it comes final at the end of the word. We have Ba, 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 Ba. 4 forms for the letter Ba. Isolated, initial, medial, and final. And this is for each Arabic letter, for any Arabic letter. Does the Arabic alphabet have upper and lower case? There is no such thing as capital letters versus small letters in Arabic. Let's talk about Ba. As you see here, the letter Ba at the beginning of the word, Bayt. Bayt means a house, Bayt. So when I write it, the letter Ba comes first, so I don't write it bold or capital or different from the other letters, no. All of them the same way. I start writing it on the line, no bold capital letters or big letters. The letter Ba here is not bigger than the other letters, no, it's the same. And here is the objectives of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand the Arabic writing system from right side to left side, pronounce and write the letter Ta, write and pronounce the 3 short vowels Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. And as we said, we call them short vowels because the time you are taken to pronounce them is short. Write and pronounce the letter Ta with the short vowel Fatha write and pronounce the letter ta with short vowel kasra and with short vowel dhamma. Write the letter ta at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of a word. The story of the letter ta. The letter ta is the third letter of the Arabic alphabet, and as you see, we start writing from right to left. From right to left. Ta. And as you see here, the letter ta is a smiley face. Ta with short vowels. Ta and short vowels. The letter ta with a short vowel fatha called ta. Ta with short vowel kasra, the sound will be ti. Ta with short vowel dhamma, the sound should be or will be tu. So we have ta, ti, tu. Ta as in tamr, tamr, dates, tamr. Ti as in timsah, timsah, crocodile, timsah. Tu as in تفاحة تفاحة apple. تمر تمساح تفاحة. The letter ta forms. We have the letter ta. I'm so friendly, so I can be connected to letters on my left and right sides. When I come at the beginning of a word, I connect from left side. As you see here, the letter ta, if it comes first, so we connect it from the left side. As in 9, تسعة, تسعة, تسعة. If the letter ta comes first, then connect from the left side. تسعة. In the middle, I'm so friendly, I accept to be connected from both sides, right and left. So the letter ta here connected from both sides, right and left. As in ستة, ستة. Look at the letter ta in the middle, connected from right side and left side. ستة. When I come at the end of a word, I connect from right side, as you see in بيت, بيت. See the letter ta? When the letter ta comes at the end, we connect it from the right side. بيت, بيت. So we have ta at the beginning, ta in the middle, and the letter ta when it comes final or at the end. So again, we have covered in this lesson how to write the letter ta, or the Arabic writing system in general, from right to left, how to write the letter ta and how to pronounce it, Arabic short vowels, fatha, kasra, dhamma, and we learned that they are not part of the Arabic alphabet. And then we talked about the short vowels, fatha, kasra, dhamma, and how to write and pronounce the short vowels, and how to write the letter ta in any place of a word, initial, middle, or medial, and end. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.